The budget tablet landscape is about to experience a sudden massive shift that will catch the entire tech world off guard. For years, the standard entry-level iPad has occupied a very specific, predictable niche. It was the safe, affordable option for students, casual media consumers, and families who needed a reliable screen without paying a premium price. But behind closed doors in Cupertino, Apple has completely altered its blueprint. They realize that competing Android manufacturers and low-cost alternatives have been slowly encroaching on their territory with high refresh rate screens and aggressive pricing structures. In response, Apple is pulling off a massive, high-stakes tactical counteroffensive. This isn't just an incremental refresh with a slightly updated processor or a new color variant. This is the Apple iPad 12th generation. And the leaked internal roadmaps and supply chain whispers suggest that Apple is about to drop a device that completely blurs the line between budget hardware and premium pro-level performance. If you think the entry-level iPad is just a basic media slab, you are completely unprepared for the disruption that is about to unfold. To understand why the iPad 12th Gen is causing massive waves throughout the tech community, you have to look at the massive engineering problem Apple had to solve. For generations, the standard iPad was deliberately held back to protect the sales of the mid-tier iPad Air and the high-end iPad Pro. It suffered from non-laminated displays, older chipsets, and limited accessory compatibility. But the sudden global integration of local artificial intelligence has forced Apple to completely throw out their old playbook. Running highly advanced local language models requires a staggering amount of unified memory and rapid processing power. Because of this requirement, Apple has made the shocking decision to bridge the massive performance gap by dropping a desktop-class architecture right into the heart of their entry-level chassis. We are talking about a highly optimized, hyper-efficient processor paired with a heavily upgraded memory architecture that allows this budget-friendly device to handle intense data pipelines without breaking a sweat or draining its battery in a few hours. This processing leap introduces a level of daily performance that changes everything for the average consumer. Imagine running intensive, multi-layered creative software, editing multiple streams of high-definition video, or playing demanding, console-quality video games entirely smoothly without a single stutter or lag. It completely shatters the long-standing rule that buying an affordable tablet means accepting a compromised, sluggish user experience. But Apple didn't just stop at raw internal power. They aggressively tackled the single most criticized aspect of the base model lineup: the user interface interaction. The iPad 12th Gen is rumored to feature a completely overhauled display architecture that brings laminated screen technology standard to the base tier, eliminating the annoying hollow air gap that plagued previous models. The screen response is now immediate, liquid smooth, and incredibly precise, creating an immersive visual experience that draws your eyes directly into the glass. But the real magic lies in how this device handles content creation and daily productivity. Apple is expanding the capabilities of their advanced stylus input, bringing zero-latency drawing and writing mechanics straight to the entry-level market. For students, digital artists, and remote workers who rely on quick note-taking, this creates a distraction-free digital canvas that reacts perfectly